Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add Drive PDF file to another folder. So if you also want to add Drive PDF file to another folder, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch OpenDrive application, or you can also open Drive on Google. Simply open Google Chrome. After that, tap on the search bar and type in drive.google.com. After that, Google Drive will be opened. You can see over here Google Drive has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for Home, Start, Shared and Files. Simply tap on the interface that you want to go to. After that, you'll be led to that interface. Over there, you'll be able to see the folder in which you have PDF file. Simply tap on the folder that contains PDF file. You can see over here that folder has been opened. You can see the PDF file over here. Right next to the PDF file, you'll be able to see three dots. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see several options over here. You'll be able to see the option for share, manage access, add to start, etc. Scroll down. What you have to do is find the option for move. You can see the option for move over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll have to select the destination. Simply go back. Now you'll be able to select the folder from here. Simply tap on the folder to which you want to add the PDF file. Now wait for a while. Now at bottom you can see over here move button has been activated. All you have to do is tap on it. Now go back. Now open the folder to which you just added the PDF file. You can see over here that PDF file has been added to another folder. So that is how you add Drive PDF file to another folder. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.